Alrighty, so update on this pay it forward van. First I'll tell the story of this. So what's happened is Tracy was crossing a bridge and a truck came flying across the other way and it got too close to her and nearly ripped the mirror off, and the wind drag from the truck ripped that panel off, so I've got another one to replace that. And she got a flat tyre, and unfortunately I'm not allowed to go into where she lives because of security, and so I told her just to drive it out on the rim and I'll change it out here. So that's why it looks the way it does. So I'll get into it and we'll fix this up. I'm not going to move the camera, but just looking at these points here, this came off a 90 and this is a 93, and I should remember that. Anyway, it's the 93 doesn't have a spot for this clip here, as the others, just not this one. I find that interesting, that. There you go, save $1, save $1 million.
can do it when you go forward. Yeah. What happened?
It's just a handbrake. It's nothing to be concerned about. What it is it's the handbrake pads. So when you're going forward, they're freed up, so you're not hearing it. When you get backwards, because they're turned that way, they're just rubbing against the inner side of the drum. So you're just hearing that squeak in reverse. It's nothing to worry about.
Oh, thank God for that. Oh, thank you so much, That's awesome. Probably next.
That's a pleasure.
Next fortnight I'll transfer some money across to you to get those strutties.
Yeah. The tailgate struts. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, like I said, if it doesn't cost me anything, it doesn't cost you anything.
No, thank you.
Alrighty, done and dusted.
Thank
So
you
she's all
so
back
much.
together.
Thank you.
So much better to see her with that front panel back on. I followed Tracy. How I know about it is I followed Tracy the other day. We happened to both enter the roundabout at the same time, and I spotted that, and I called Tracy up. I was like, "Oh, you're missing a thing," and she goes, "Yeah, I know." So that's all done, all dusted. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.